Afternoon, Chris. Thanks for joining me for Member Monday. First of all, tell us about In Compliance.
Thanks, Tom. Nice to be with you. So briefly going over In Compliance, we've got two offices, one set in the UK and one based in Germany. And we've got around 12 employees at this point in time. Obviously looking to grow in the future, as you can probably imagine. But we oversee compliance on a consultancy basis for customers, whether it be on the electronic side, CE markings, UK CA markings, but a lot of people know us for our hygienic side. So for the water-based side, so mechanical testing and the hygienic testing, and we oversee that for customers. But we oversee that for the UK, Europe, Australia, America, Canada, so on and so forth. So we've got quite a wide reach of bases that we can cover for our clients.
So an affiliate member of the association rather than a product manufacturer, how are you able to help our full members to bring products to market quicker?
Well, with your full members, obviously they've all got a common goal, and that's to sort of stake their claim in the markets. And obviously doing that, they need the compliance side of things as well. So being an affiliate member, we're mixing in with your members. You know, we go to the BMA meetings, we attend the BMA online portals as well, and we're always trying to be visible. But we're also able to converse with yourselves and your team and help your members along. There's advice and certain bits of information that your clients will need, or your full members will need, and they can come to the likes of us, test laboratories and so on and so forth to be able to obtain that information.
Brilliant. And one of the things that our members are most interested in is the speed of bringing products to market, and that's something you've been looking at. Tell us about that.
Indeed. So obviously speed, we've done a bit of research and we found that speed is one of the main drivers for manufacturers and suppliers alike. We've looked at the rule book, kind of tore it up. So we're looking at a process whereas we combine multiple steps as we're going through the certification process here in the UK. So we found that, especially when we was going through the process, as a lot of your members will obviously have gone through this process many times before, it's a linear one-step process. And we found that there's certain steps that we can combine. So what we've done, we've had conversations with test laboratories and certifiers, and we've basically said, look, you know, this is our plan, this is what we want to do. So customers can send us an application and we can provide sample requirements, test requirements in one go, and we can basically forward those test requirements onto a test laboratory and review their application at the same time. As soon as that's done, we receive the test reports, we provide them to the certifier, and basically we're shaving off quite a bit of time from that standard turnaround time that we discussed previously. We're seeing customers turn products around with quite considerable reductions in time. Obviously, it does depend on the product types as well. But again, you know, those customers will have experience with applying for those products to be tested and certified in their own right. But coming through this route, we have seen that we are able to reduce the time quite significantly.
So faster approvals, better for customers, better for manufacturers, and everyone's happy.
Well, yeah, and it's the good work of some of the certifiers as well. All the certifiers, there are more test laboratories available now, and we've got a vast network, as I've just touched on previously, across the globe, and we use that network to our advantage, to our customers' advantage, and to the test laboratories and certifiers' advantage. Yeah. And it's that common goal that we all want, to be able to certify products as quickly as possible, so they can enter the market and really stake their claim for their particular markets that they're targeting. These product ranges, there's a lot of time, effort and money gone into it, and the last thing we want is being held up the final hurdle.
Chris, great to catch up with you.
And yourself, you take care.